video, I'll be making baked potatoes with chicken. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some onions and green peppers, so I'm just cutting them up. If you like baked potatoes, comment down below and let me know what you put on yours. Okay, so once I was done cutting them up, I just put some butter in the pan and now I'm gonna cook them. So here I'm just adding some seasonings. Okay, I'm just mixing it up and then I'm gonna show you the chicken that I'm using. Okay, so I just added some water into the pan, then I'm adding the chicken in, and then I seasoned it, and now you see me cutting it into little pieces. Okay, now that it's done, you're just gonna see me make my plate. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some butter, some seasoning, and then I'm going to add the onions and green peppers, the chicken, and some sour cream.